Keeping your investment safe becomes a primary concern when you acquire a DJI Flip. We will walk you through some of the greatest cases in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Number 1, we have Cynova carrying case. Because it strikes the ideal combination between durability and portability, your DJI Flip drone, RC2 or RC controllers, batteries, and other supplies will all fit inside this specially designed carrying case. Complete protection is guaranteed during storage and transportation thanks to the molded precision fit and double-layered Lycra fabric. His DJI Flip case is made of sturdy PU leather and has a spandex lining for protection against rain, dust, wear, and scratches. It protects your equipment from the elements and is ideal for hiking, camping, vacation, and home storage. Despite being lightweight, this DJI Flip compact case contains a zippered inside pouch that can hold a DJI Flip drone, RC2, RC remote controller, 2 batteries, and smaller stuff like screws, Type-C connectors, and extra propellers. This DJI Flip drone case is convenient to carry and fits neatly into a backpack or travel bag thanks to its non-slip handle and adjustable shoulder strap. It's the perfect partner for outdoor activities because it frees up your hands for other activities. The Cynova protective case offers useful options for drone enthusiasts who wish to maintain the security and organization of their equipment thanks to its well-considered design. On number 2, we have Tomat case. For owners of DJI Flips who require additional protection for their drones, the Tomat protective case is a great option because to its outstanding durability and well-considered design. Only the DJI Flip drone, its intelligent flying batteries, and related accessories are compatible with this carrying bag. Its seamless, one-piece molded structure and precise fit guarantee that your DJI Flip drone and all of its accessories are completely protected while being transported and stored. Specifically designed for the DJI Flip, this little soft cover provides strong protection against dust, wear, and scratches. With its ability to keep your device safe and secure at all times, it's the ideal option for anyone who travels, hikes, camps, or just keeps their equipment at home. This case's interior zip pocket is ideal for holding small accessories like Type-C to Type-C PT cables, screwdrivers, spare propeller screws, RC cables, extra propellers, and more. It is made to fit the Flip drone and 2 intelligent flying batteries. This lightweight compact bag has an adjustable shoulder strap for hands-free use, a non-slip grip, and a small footprint. Because it is made to be easily transported, you can take it with you wherever you go because it fits neatly into baggage or backpacks. On number 3, we have StartRC Hard case. For individuals who require outstanding protection for their DJI Flip, the StartRC durable case is a high-end option. Designed for the DJI Flip Fly More combo in a 1:1 scale, the durable waterproof cover can effectively keep it from shaking or crushing while being transported. 1 Flip drone, 1 RC2, RC, and 3 remote controller, 7 batteries, 1 charging hub, 1 charger, cables, filters, propellers, and additional accessories can all be stored in the carrying case. Excellent for fans of drones and drone photography. The durable ABS shell and enhanced EVA inner of the hard waterproof case provide impact, pressure, shock, and scratch resistance in addition to being IP67 waterproof. Ideal for hiking, camping, and outdoor flight shooting, among other activities. 2 options for carrying. With its ergonomic rubberized grip and adjustable shoulder strap, it's ideal for outdoor pursuits like hiking and camping, allowing you to experience the exhilaration of flying whenever and wherever you choose. In addition to optimizing protection, this customized fit makes organization easier by guaranteeing that all of your equipment is conveniently placed and within easy reach. Your equipment can be arranged wherever you choose thanks to the foam insert's ability to be modified to fit different attachments. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.